Hey, Luke and I are out here at one of our favorite places, Meaher State Park. We're out on the fishing pier. We got a couple of different things we're going to try. I can't guarantee we're going to catch anything. We just had a front move through. But look at this weather. I mean, it's February 5th, 2023. Short sleeves, look at all this sunlight. I could probably be getting away with shorts right now. You're welcome. I didn't wear them. Check out the loons.
I grew up calling this body of water here John's Bay, but I see on the new fancy maps they call it Bay John. Either way, it's a beautiful little pocket here along the Delta.
Well, throwing this little chartreuse jig has proven fruitless in my endeavors to catch some crappie. I think I will switch gears a little. Alright, check this out. It is an artificial baby blue crab. There's lots of barnacles on the pilings here on the pier, so I may try and scrape some off, see maybe I can pull a sheephead or two out. Had one hit. That's it. It was after I switched to this little plastic crab, so maybe that'll wake them up. Well, Luke and I did our best trying to catch today, but nothing seemed to be biting. We weren't the only ones that got skunked, though, so I feel okay about it. Talked to a couple of other people further down the pier, and they didn't have any luck either. And like I said earlier, we had a cold front move through the night before, and usually when that happens, the fish go to the deep water, and there's not much of a bite afterwards. Doesn't matter. Look how beautiful this place is. So after Luke and I failed to catch anything, we decided, well, we'll load everything up, pull the chair out here, and just sit and watch the sunset. There's a reason it's called fishing and not catching. Like the expression goes, your worst day fishing is better than your best day working. Unless you're Bill Dance, I guess. But we came over to the fort in Spanish Fort, which we covered in our episode Causeway Getaway, link down below. And We're at a place called Boone's Thai Kitchen. I love the food of Southeast Asia. I especially love Thai food, and I am really looking forward to this. We just ordered some dumplings. We're going to give them a try, and then we're going to head back across the Delta back home. Alrighty. You know why Asia is one of the greatest continents on the planet? Easily top 7. The dumpling. Check that out. Oh yeah. Dipping sauce here. We'll go ahead and say this is probably too hot to be eating. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, that's good. I want you to see the outside of that. Boy, it's golden and crisp, just like you want it. Doggies don't get dumplings, Luke.
Hey y'all, Stu wanted me to ask you, he wanted you to hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's not that hard. It's not like you need a really bendy back for that. Just hit the like and subscribe buttons and we'll all be good.